Well, we're not camping. What are we doing? It's just a beautiful lake day. Now, what were you saying? We were just recording until it dies.
Oh yeah, it rained like the whole time, and then it was cool though because we got to cook on the fire like when it wasn't raining for a minute, but we just like played cards in the tent and like stayed in it.
Had like a rainy camp day in. This is low-key like a beach. Wow. There was something in the news, I think, that they said like there was some toxins in the Chattahoochee. You heard about that?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, like some toxins they found in there. Some spill or something. So, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
So beautiful. Where are we walking to? Is there an end to this? Looks like we about to go to the water. Look, you can walk in. It looks like it could be shallow, no? Right here. Whew. I feel like taking a dive in that lake, even though I can't swim. Whew. Wow, that's really mad. This beautiful lake, and you want to ruin it with litter. Hopefully they're okay, actually. Or maybe they went for a swim and they came right back.
Hopefully.
They left their stuff. Like, actual things. This is peaceful. This will be a nice, like, little getaway spot. So I didn't tell you to be on camera. I'm just recording a little bit. And then I'm going to turn it off and enjoy the place. What is this life about? Like, why are we here? What's our purpose? What's our goals? Why can't we just live out here forever? So beautiful. Oh,